hiding away up here is a beautiful little jewel who's between the fridge and the cupboard and found her little spot. Yes, she's found her spot. She's a happy girl from the looks of things. Although Poppet looked very happy until a few seconds ago when she started hissing and spitting at me. You gonna hiss and spit at me too? Let's hope not. You're a beautiful girl. You're a beautiful girl. Yes, you are. Very beautiful lady, but she's sitting back where she can't be touched, and that's what she wants. So that's what we'll do.